Imagine you are cruising down the highway or trying to pull away from a stoplight, and suddenly your gas pedal feels dead, or worse, the car goes into limp mode and barely moves. That is the scary reality of code P210E, or throttle pedal position sensor voltage correlation errors. Back in the 90s, car makers switched from a simple cable connecting your foot to the engine to what we call drive-by-wire. Now, when you press the pedal, you are just pressing a sensor that talks to a computer, which then tells an electric motor on the throttle body to open up. It is high-tech, but it introduces complex problems. This code means the two sensors inside your throttle body that monitor the valve's angle are disagreeing with each other for more than 2 seconds. They are supposed to work in perfect harmony, verifying each other's data, so if one says the throttle is open and the other says it is closed, the computer panics and shuts down power to keep you safe. This can happen on many modern vehicles, whether it is listed as a P210E or the related P2135. The causes are often physical or electrical. The most common issue I have seen is actually the wiring connector, or pigtail, on the throttle body itself. The pins inside can corrode or get loose, causing that momentary loss of signal. Also, these electronic throttle bodies use plastic gears internally, and if that plastic cover warps or a gear strips, the whole unit is trash. You have to handle these parts with extreme care because one drop can ruin them. To fix this, you will want to inspect that connector closely, maybe even replacing the pigtail if the wires look dodgy. You can also try a relearn procedure, which varies by car, but essentially teaches the computer where the new 0 point is for the throttle plate. If you have a voltmeter, watch the voltage swing smoothly from roughly 0.5 to 5 volts as you press the pedal. Any spikes or dropouts mean it is time for a new part.